Hey guys, Retro Badger here. Hope you're all well. Today we are going to put an Excelsior class refit from the post-Dominion War era against the Asgard prototype ship, the O'Neill. Now this was supposed to be the most powerful Asgard warship, and it's going to have to face off against a very heavily upgraded Excelsior class. This ship comes equipped with quantum torpedoes. It has upgraded shields and upgraded phasers. Now we've seen a few upgraded Excelsior class refits recently, but this remains one of my favourites. Now in terms of weaponry, from what we know from a TV show, it's armed with ion guns. This version, however, appears to come with rapid fire ion guns, and it also has 2 ion cannons. Okay, here we go. Now, as with any of these battles, it comes down to how the mods have been made, but these are 2 both very powerful ships, so this should be interesting. So I'm firing the ion gun right now, which is rapid fire, and we also have the ion cannons, which are labelled as torpedoes. Incoming quantums. Oh wow, okay, so the Asgard shielding is actually absorbing them. Look at that. They're firing quantums everywhere. That's impressive. Their port shield's down to 38%. Oh! We've almost collapsed their top shield. They're really firing those quantums, aren't they? I'm amazed at how well this Asgard ship is holding up. I have increased power to the shields though. Still. That's really surprised me. I thought quantum torpedoes were going to be devastating. Whoa, something's flown off there. What was that? I think it's part of the warp nacelle. Yep. Ion cannon. Oh, they're in trouble. They're in big trouble. What? Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, hang on. Oh! Ah, okay, well, we won. We knew the Asgard were into ramming. And the ship is still functional, look at that. Well, the game crashed. I can't think why. But yes, the Excelsior refit was all but destroyed there anyway before the ramming. Let's try it the other way around. I'm amazed how well it dealt with those quantum torpedoes. That really shocked me. It's funny how these battles never turn out how you think. So our phasers are having minimal effect to the Asgard shielding. That's very interesting. We've just got to make sure we land these quantum torpedoes. Our bottom shield's at 77%. Wow. I mean, I was gonna poke fun at the inaccuracy of the Asgard weaponry, but then our quantum torpedoes also flied off into space. I'm sure in the TV shows it wouldn't be that inaccurate. What to go for? It's like phasers are a complete waste of time. They just can't get through the Asgard shielding. That's just crazy. I've lost maneuverability. My warp core's been hit. Diverted power to the engines. Oh, not good. Keep firing! Ugh. Okay. New tactic. I'm going to do some in-system warping, and I'm not going to overtax the power systems this time. Let's fly. Oh! Oh no, it stopped right in front of them. Seriously, how powerful are those shields? Well, oh my gosh, how many weapon replacements are there on that ship? I was thinking, let's go for the weapons, but there's too many. Sublight engines. We need to get behind them. Our hull is down to about 15%. Oh my. That's serious. Look at the damage. Oh boy. That's not cool. That's not cool. Come on, hold on, shields. Oh! Well, like it or not, the Asgard absolutely wiped the floor with that Excelsior class refit. I had no idea the O'Neill's shielding would be so effective. And those ion guns, in combination with its ion cannon, whew. It's an interesting debate though. What do you guys think about the power differences between the Asgard and Starfleet? Do you think the Asgard weaponry would have even damaged the Federation Starship shields? I am a little surprised how ineffective those quantum torpedoes were against the O'Neill. In terms of Bridge Commander though, the Asgard were victorious. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.